Hi, I'm Charlie Andrews Jubelt. My teammates are Joe Bergeron and Lisa Lee, and together we built Revo. Revo is a fully decentralized solution for near continuous compound interest on yield farming rewards. A user can zap in under 10 seconds and get on the order of 30% higher ROI than they would by infrequently reinvesting rewards manually. At the same time, the Celo ecosystem benefits from having all the yield farming rewards automatically reinvested in the underlying liquidity pool, continuously growing the liquidity they are meant to incentivize. Let's take a look at the user interface that makes this possible. As an end user getting started with Revo, I can zap into an auto-compounding yield farm in just a few seconds. Shares in an auto-compounding farm are represented as ERC20 tokens and have their own liquidity pools. As a result, zapping in is as simple as swapping an asset I already own for a share in a farm. When I press swap and confirm the swap, once it's confirmed, that's it. I own a share in an auto-compounding yield farm. There's a few other things you can do with our UI. One, you can view the full list of yield farms available to you on their own separate page, with deposit and withdraw buttons in case I want to add LP tokens to the farms directly. I can also zap between farms by simply swapping between the ownership tokens of the different farms. So let's say I wanted to diversify my investment a little bit by getting some shares in the C-Euro Celo farm. I can simply swap farm tokens that I already have from the CUSD Celo farm. Now I'd like to take a moment to look at some of the technical infrastructure that allows for a fully decentralized auto-compounding yield farming experience. Revo's core functionality is provided by three back-end concepts. Number one, a smart contract that we call FarmBot. Number two, a compound script that triggers FarmBot to reinvest yield farming rewards. And number three, an arbitrage script that keeps zap-in exchange rates fair. FarmBots can be created for any yield farm, and a share in a FarmBot is represented as an ERC20 token that we call a farm point. Shares being tokenized allows us to create liquidity pools for users to zap in. To mint a new share in a FarmBot, a user can deposit a liquidity provider token, and then FarmBot will reinvest the rewards from all the LP tokens it owns on a regular basis to get compound interest. Since FarmBot is a smart contract, we needed a decentralized system for triggering a reinvestment of the yield farming rewards. This functionality is provided by our compound script. Any developer can run the script on a cron job for a small bounty. Our third backend innovation was an open source arbitrage script. Any developer can run the script to check whether the cost of zapping in for a share of FarmBot exceeds the cost of minting one by depositing an LP. The script can be run passively to guarantee a fair exchange rate for zapping in to an auto-compounding yield farm. We hope that Revo will improve the user experience and overall liquidity of the Celo ecosystem, while creating new opportunities for meta liquidity mining with tokenized yield farming. Thank you for your consideration.